A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our computer class. So students, in our today's class, I'll be starting a new lesson, that is lesson 4, Styles and Objects. Right. As we have completed the 3 chapters, the first chapters we have learned about evolution of computers. Second chapter we have learned about memory of a computer. And the third one we have learned about what? Tour of Windows. About Windows we have learned. In chapter number 4, we are going to learn about the styles and objects. That means, how can we give a formatting effect in a Microsoft Word, right? And this chapter is basically about the formatting effect in how to change the formatting, how to give the formatting effect in Microsoft Word. It's totally about a Microsoft Word. Okay. How can we give the styles and how can we insert objects in Microsoft Word? That things we are going to learn in this chapter. The topic which I am going to start in our today's class, this is about the shapes and symbols. Right? And the objective is what? To learn about different shapes and symbols available in Word. What we are going to learn? At the end of this class, what we are going to gain? We are going to learn, we will be able to know how to insert shapes and symbols in Microsoft Word. Right? As you all know, Microsoft Word is a word processing software where we can format the text. We can change the appearance of the text. Right? We can insert the objects, we can insert the symbols, we can insert the pictures. Right? We can change the writing styles. We can change the appearance of the text. Right? So, the lesson number 4 is totally based on Microsoft Word, where we are going to learn how to change the appearance of the text in a Word document. Right? How to give the effect, certain effect in Microsoft Word. That things we are going to learn in this chapter. So, the topic is what? Shapes and symbols. First, I am going to explain how to insert shapes, right, in Microsoft Word. After that, I am going to explain how to insert symbols. Certain symbols are there. How to insert symbols in a Microsoft Word. That things we are going to discuss in our today's class. Clear, children? So, let's start our class. So, the topic is what? Shapes and symbols. Now, children, in a Microsoft Word, we can change the appearance of the text. We can change the format. We can do the formatting effect. Right? We can change the writing style of the text. We can change the size of the text. We call it font. The text we call it what? Font. We can change the color. We can change the text size. Then text the appearance. Right? Then we can do the alignments. Then the bullet symbol, bullets, and then numbering we can do. So we can formatting the change we can do in the Microsoft Word. Right? Now in Word we can give different styles and objects also. The first one is about the shapes and symbols. So everyone please refer your book, page number 30. Shapes and symbols. How you will insert a shape in a Microsoft Word. Okay, how you put symbols, how you insert symbols in Microsoft Word. So here you just go to the page number 30. MS Word comes with a variety of shapes. In Microsoft Word, we have number of shapes, lines, arrows, and more that can be drawn in our documents. Right? We can, MS Word have what? Comes with a variety of shapes, lines, arrows, and more that can be drawn in our documents. Now, these are the steps of what? How to insert shapes in a Microsoft Word document. Right? So, here you see step number 1. To insert a shapes in a Microsoft Word, the step number 1 is go to the Insert tab. That is Insert menu. And click on Shapes. First step is what? Go to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. Right. Step number 2, select the shape. Whatever shape you want to insert it, you have to select that shape from the insert tab. Okay, and that you want. Select the shape that you want. Step number 3, move your mouse to the location where you want to put the shape, where you want to insert the shape. Move your mouse to the location where you want to draw the object. And while holding down the mouse button, draw the shape. You have to hold down the mouse button. As you know, mouse have 3 buttons. You have to hold down the mouse button, then you draw the shape. But just you see that pointer will look like a plus symbol. Once you drag, then your shape will appear in your document. So these are the steps for what? To insert shapes in a MS Word document. Clear, children? So first step is what? You will go to where? Insert tab, then there you click what? Shapes. Step number 2, select the shape that you want. Which one steps? Maybe you want square, maybe circle, maybe rectangle, maybe arrows, right? Then stars. Step number 3, move your mouse to the location, to the place where you want to draw the object. And while holding down the mouse button, when you hold down the mouse button, draw the shape. You just start drawing the shape. But pointer shape will look like a what? Plus symbol. So these are the steps to what? To insert a shape in a MS Word document. Clear, children? The next is how will you insert symbols in MS Word document. That step I am going to explain now. Yeah? Now children, the next is the inserting symbols. How to insert symbols in Microsoft Word document. Symbols means like addition, minus symbol, then plus minus symbol, bracket, okay, percentage, we call it what? These are symbols. Dollar sign, these are what we call it? Symbols. Where you will get the symbols option in MS Word? You will get in where? Insert tab on the symbol groups. So you will get at the right side of the document, top of the document. Right, children? So inserting symbols, what are the steps? We are going to learn the steps now, how to insert symbols in Microsoft Word document. Just now we have learned how to insert shapes in MS Word document. Now how to insert symbols. So 10 steps are there that I am going to explain now. So step number 1, you see, click on the location where you want to insert the symbol. First what you will do? You will click on the location, you will click on the place where you want to insert the symbol. Step number 2, on insert tab, the insert menu, in the symbols group, where you will go in the symbols group, click on symbol. Once you click the symbol, step number 3, click on the symbol that you want in the drop down menu. Drop down menu is there. You click on the symbol that you want. If it is not in menu, if the symbol is not in the menu, then click on more symbols. Once you click on more symbols, you will get the symbols. Alright, children? So, what is given in step number 3? After going to insert tab, once you click symbols group, once you click symbol, click on symbol that you want in the drop down menu. You will get one drop down menu. If the symbol is not there in that drop down menu, what you will do? You have to click on more symbols. There you will get your symbols. Clear, children? And the last, the step 4, click close. Then your symbol will appear on the document. Alright, children? So, in our today's class, only the introduction part, that how to insert shapes and symbols in Microsoft Word document I have explained. You children, kindly go through it. And once you try it, okay? You try it practically, then you will know how to insert the shapes and symbols in Microsoft Word document. You try it, take any shapes you take it, 2-3 shapes take it, you just try to insert it in your Word document, and also along with the shapes you try to insert symbols. Clear? In Microsoft Word document. Practice it. And the next class I'll be discussing another topic, that is how to apply the border and shading in Microsoft Word document. As I've told you, in Microsoft Word document, we can format the changes. Formatting part we can do in MS Word. Right? We can change the appearance of the document. We can change the appearance of the text fonts. Okay? Then everything, the formatting text we can do. Alright, children? So next class, another topic. That topic is what how to give the border and setting effect in Microsoft Word. That things I'm going to explain it to you. Clear, children? Thank you.